Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we talked about dashboards in Power BI. In this video, we will be learning about managing datasets permissions and configurations, and we will learn how to find our dataset, refresh it, and adjust basic settings in Power BI service. Let's get started. We are here at Power BI desktop. We have created this dashboard using different kind of visualization available here. We will publish it. As we can see, this dashboard has been published previously, so we will cancel it for now and we will directly move to the Power BI service. We are here at Power BI service. We will go to My Workspace. Here we can see different reports and semantic models. We will click on ellipses of the semantic model. You can refresh your dataset from here. On clicking on the ellipses, you will see different options like delete, rename, download file, etc. These options let you see related reports, refresh your data, or open settings for this model. In the free version of Power BI, automatic or scheduled refresh is not available, so you need to refresh it manually. If you want to manage permissions for this dataset, you can go to Manage Permissions and do your customization from there. And that's it. This is how you can manage permissions and configurations for your dataset in Power BI service. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.